Hey guys, it's me, Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. Look what I just made, my apple bran muffins. And for 2 smart points, they are a nice size for breakfast, for a brunch side dish, well, maybe a dessert, I would say, a snack after work, after a workout, for company, and add a little bit of some Cool Whip on top. Why not? Or whipped cream. To make it even more decadent, you could cut them in half and add that with some even more apple, but there's lots of apple in this recipe. Anyways, I had to show them off because I'm very proud and I know that they're delicious and I want you to find out by making them. Today, I'm going to teach you a very simple recipe. You guys have heard of the 2-ingredient dough. Well, this is a 3-ingredient, main ingredient, microwave bun. I know. So I've seen it. I'm not going to lie. I did not invent this, but of course I Risify it. So I change it up because, I have to make things my own and different. So before I do teach you how to make this simple recipe, because all my recipes are simple and easy and fun, and you can do this with your kids, all right? Why not teach them how to be in the kitchen and enjoy making healthy recipes? So don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell option, like, comment, post my recipes, tell me what you think, ask me questions. Remember, and I keep telling people, remember that all my recipes, all right, with the ingredients and the directions are under each video. So you can take a screenshot. My group for extra support on Facebook is WW Tips and Recipes by Risa. Okay, so how do we make these buns or muffins, whatever you want to call them? You're going to need 2 tablespoons of self-raising flour, all right? Somebody asked me the other day at my Weight Watcher meeting, where do you find it? In the flour section with the baking goods. Oh my God. Anyways, you have to laugh, right? 2 tablespoons. If you don't have it, remember, don't worry, you can use all-purpose flour. Now, I haven't tried it with almond flour, coconut flour, oatmeal flour. Just add a teaspoon of baking powder and try it. You have nothing to lose. And as an experiment with 2 tablespoons, it would be, easy to make and delicious, I'm sure. And even if it wasn't, so you try something else. That's what it's all about, experimenting. 1 tablespoon of plain 0-fat Greek yogurt, any kind will do, my friends. 1 tablespoon. And 1 egg. I have 1 egg. A large or an extra large is fine. So for those of you on WW, for the blue and purple plan, it's 1 smart point. For the green plan, it's 3 smart point because you count the egg. Now, so I made one today with a 1/4 cup of egg whites, 0 smart points. Or if you have egg beaters for a 1/4 cup, 0 smart points. So that's how you can get around having it to be 1 smart point, okay? I know. So I was thinking about you guys on the green plan to bring the points down. But again, that's optional. Now, I've added different ingredients in mine because I like things with a lot of flavor. I hope you're shouting at the screen with me, okay? A lot of flavor, that's right. So besides those ingredients, which will be kind of bland, we need to spiff it up, right? So what did I do? I'm adding a pinch of some oregano or Italian seasoning. I'm using a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, not a 1/4 teaspoon, an 1/8 of a teaspoon, because it's not very big if you double the recipe, but an 1/8 of a teaspoon of garlic powder and onion powder. And I'm going to put in some everything bagel seasoning. I'm going to add a little bit, like a pinch inside, and then on the outside, I have this cheddar blend powder, and I'm just going to use a pinch of this as well inside for a cheesy taste. You don't want cheese like my husband, then don't add any cheese or cheese powder to it. And talking about cheese, I have this Asiago Zerto blend. You can use Parmesan, Romano, whatever, cheddar, like whatever you have. But like for like a pinch of it, it's going to be 0 smart points. So why not? So I'm going to add a little bit inside and on the outside as well. That is it. So you get, oh, and of course you need your mug. So I have my Canada mug to match my Canada top, right? And you just spray it with your favorite spray, okay? So cooking spray, olive oil spray, I have my olive oil spray, whatever. And if you want, so this is like, you can see that this is a higher, smaller mug. And this, my daughter loves Friends. We all love Friends. It's a wider mug, and then it'll be a wider bun. Hello. So you can decide, and I'll show you both types after. So 2 tablespoons of the flour, whatever flour you're using. We're going to whisk in 1 egg. Okay, 1 egg. And 1 tablespoon of the Greek yogurt. Those are the 3 main ingredients. And before I do, I'm just going to add in I have it here. So my onion powder, garlic powder, oregano, cheese powder, bagel seasoning, and the Zerto cheese. Okay, so I'm going to move that out of the way. And all you're going to do is whisk or use a fork, whatever you want. Doesn't matter. And incorporate everything. Okay? Mix it well. And again, like I said, if you want to try it with egg whites, it's a little different texture than an egg. But these are just fun, like to make. Like, you know, you're hungry, you want a snack. You want to make a little sandwich. You just want to eat it like this. You want to put some cheese on it, jam, peanut butter. You can do that. So I'm just going to add it now to my mug. And I've already sprayed it. You'll see that it's a nice, thick consistency. Use a little spatula. And I'll just show you, it's just inside here. It's a nice thick batter, almost like a pancake batter. It's thick. All right. And I'm just going to sprinkle on some more bagel seasoning on top, like so, and a sprinkle of some cheese. Again, it's optional. And then all you're going to do is microwave. And I microwave it for 2 minutes. How easy and fast is that? Literally minutes, right? I lost my train of thought. What else is new? So microwave it for 2 minutes. I find that it needs 2 minutes. Some people do, I've seen like 1.5 minutes, but 2 minutes seems to be perfect. Next step, okay? It's a little spongy when you take it out like that, and you'll see after I take it out how yummy it is and how it looks. And then for the next part is you're going to put it in your toaster oven. And dun, da, 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 here it is. I'll show you that after. But I put the one in the smaller mug with the egg, all right, and I toasted it. I'm just going to bring it up close so you can see, and it gets really nice and crispy. Okay, that's the inside, okay, so that's why it's not crispy in the inside, but it's crispy, crispy, crispy on the outside, all right? And this one I did in the bigger mug, and this one is the egg white one, okay? So you can see it's a little bit whiter. You could turn it over and toast the other side. Try doing that, and then cut it if you try cutting it before, it's a bit too spongy. Toast it first, okay? And you know, this is such a great, easy recipe that you can just whip up so quickly by yourself with your children, grandchildren. Why not? They'll have fun baking with you, making things in the kitchen. And when they're involved, they won't know that it's low fat. They're just going to see that it's super delicious. So, you know, the ingredients that I've used are versatile. You don't have to use what I use. If there's something that you don't like, don't add it, okay? If there's something you do like, you want a little bit more cheese, you want to use an experiment with something else, you can. And I'm going to take this one out now, okay? And it's hot, so I'm just going to pop it out. And you can see what it looks like before. There's the before. Okay, nice and puffy. Okay, it's very hot, so let it cool for a few seconds before you touch it, my friends, because it is hot. You need to let it cool. And here is the after cut. Okay, so the before and the after, and microwave it. Now, everybody's microwave, maybe, you know, the heat or the temperature could be different. So, you know, maybe start with 1.5 minutes and then check it. But my niece and I have both tried it several times, and we find 2 minutes, all right? 2-minute mug buns. Maybe that will be the name of them, but they will be definitely in your kitchen soon, I hope. Tell me what you think of this video. Super delicious. Again, you can use the ingredients I've used or change it up to how you would want it, all right? Again, if you use it plain, then you can, if you make it plainer, I guess, then, you know, and you want to add jam, like I said, peanut butter, cream cheese, flavored cream cheese, turkey meat, make a sandwich, whatever you want. It will be super duper delicious. Okay, take care. Love you guys. Bye for now.